We don't get to see brand new Ecodiscs often, so this is a treat, as Te Papa have replaced the glass KONE Novell hydraulic, roped hydraulic, with a brand new Ecodisc.
Level 2.
This is even better. Square buttons. That is rare. Okay, we'll watch the indicator first, as this is my first time seeing this fixture line. This is KDS330 AUS, I think. No, sorry, KDS330 AUS.
Level 4.
This lift speaks Te Reo Maori. Just watch out the window going down. This lift actually has more glass in it than the old one. The shaft is still enclosed though by the third floor. This Ecodisc is quiet.
Level 2.
Back to 4 again. And this time we'll see if we can do the indicator and the windows together. KDS330 AUS or some kind of equivalent thereof.
Couple to a far. Level 4.
This is too awesome. That's where the old indicator used to be. Let's go back to 2 one more time. A nice look at those buttons.
Level 2.
That is just so awesome. There it goes. And that's it.